I spied this hacksaw on the dollar table. I saw the red plastic handles. Looks like they're both in good shape, not cracked. And I became suspicious of who the manufacturer might be. I think it's right here. Let me clean it up a little bit. Looks like it says Miller's Falls, number 847. I think that's a pretty good find for $1. The Evaporust removed the rust, but it did not magically restore the nickel plating. I had no plans to drill out the rivets, strip and replate the frame. I did the best I could to make it look a little better. The black fine grit scrubby wheel did a decent job, and I was able to work around the rivets. I decided to take these pieces down to bare metal. Here they are cleaned up. This wing nut was pretty beat up. I don't think I made it worse. I guess it is what it is. Next up was the handle hardware. I think they came out pretty good. I started off by washing the plastic handles in soapy water. I sanded them with 320 grit. Then I used fine steel wool. And then superfine steel wool. Chuck and I polished the handles with flits. I used the soft puffball polishing wheel. I had to wait until Chuck was out of town, meeting with his two potential running mates, before I got out the plastics. He's not sure if he wants to go with an elder statesman or somebody with youthful exuberance. I used a puffball polishing wheel that I keep separate just for plastics. So here's what the Miller's Falls number 84 hacksaw looked like when I brought it home from Jacktown. And here it is now. Check out those translucent red handles. In the late 1930s, Miller's Falls introduced translucent permalloy cellulose acetate tool handles. Then in the late 1940s, they changed to tennite for both opaque and translucent red handles. Tennite is a cellulosic thermoplastic made by Easton Chemical Company. Apparently it has the tendency to develop the dreaded rotten-smelling white mange. I'm glad these handles are okay. I made new blade pins from a nail. Chuck helped me polish the metal with his favorite stuff. I waxed everything with this Minwax stuff. Big Vic sent me this nifty spade bit can opener he made. Works great. Thanks, Vic. So what do you think? I did the best I could with the pitted nickel plating. The translucent red tennite handles look pretty hot though, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I don't collect Miller's Falls, but I have a few screwdrivers. I found this number 29 spiral ratcheting screwdriver on a dollar table when I went to the Columbus flea market with George from You Wanna Watch. The Tool Addict sent me this one a while back. It's a number 63 ratcheting screwdriver. And John Fix just sent me this one. It's also a number 63, but with a different style handle. If you're into hunting for and cleaning up old tools, I encourage you to subscribe to these guys. I'll pin links to their channels in the comments.